Rising temperatures have emerged as a critical issue in global environmental studies, stemming from human activities such as industrialization and the burning of fossil fuels since the Industrial Revolution around 1750. By the early 20th century, average global temperatures began to rise significantly due to increased greenhouse gas emissions. Notably, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, reported in 2014 that human activities had led to approximately 0.8 degrees C of warming above pre-industrial levels by then. The most significant contributor is carbon dioxide from fossil fuel combustion and deforestation. As a result, global temperatures have continued to increase at an accelerating rate in recent decades. For instance, the average temperature rose by about 1 degree C during the latter half of the 20th century and by another 0.5 degrees C during the first decade of the 21st century. The direct consequence is more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, and extreme weather events such as hurricanes and floods. According to the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, there were over 40 countries experiencing a record-breaking temperature in each year between 2015 and 2020. These warming conditions have also led to significant impacts on agriculture, with studies suggesting that global crop yields could decrease by up to 2% for every 1 degree C increase in average temperatures above the pre-industrial level. In turn, food prices are expected to rise dramatically as agricultural productivity declines further. At the same time, rising temperatures have catalyzed substantial economic shifts towards more energy-efficient technologies and renewable energy sources. The International Energy Agency reports that global investment in clean energy reached $150 billion annually by 2020, a significant increase from previous years. Moreover, efforts to mitigate climate change through international agreements like the Paris Agreement have garnered increasing support across nations. While these advancements hold promise for future sustainability and economic resilience, long-term effects are still uncertain. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change projects that if current trends continue unabated, average global temperatures could rise by another 1 degree C to 3 degrees C by mid-century and possibly even higher in the coming decades. However, this scenario can be mitigated through rapid reductions in greenhouse gas emissions, coupled with effective adaptation strategies. In conclusion, rising temperatures have been a result of human activities since the Industrial Revolution. The observed warming has resulted in more extreme weather conditions and significant economic impacts on agriculture. Despite these challenges, there are ongoing efforts to combat climate change through investments in renewable energy sources and international cooperation. However, continued monitoring and action will be crucial for ensuring sustainable outcomes by mid-century and beyond.